Just as peanut butter and jelly go together so perfectly, the range of Smith's Interconnect REP series of environmentally sealed connectors provides perfect seals when mated, thanks to their environmental sealing of IP66 and IP67. The connector range comes in two main contact technology varieties, the hyperboloid and MR contact types, which support up to 20,000 and 500 mating cycles respectively. With a maximum operating voltage of 230 volts per connector and 400 volts per dummy contact, the maximum current supported is 18 amps, and the maximum contact resistance when mated is 2.5 milliohms. Wire gauges supported by the REP series of connectors are 20 to 13 American wire gauges for the hyperboloid and 18 to 13 American wire gauges for the MR contacts, and the operating temperature range of -75 to 100 degrees Celsius for crimped versions ensures operation in all environments.